So this chapter has got some around 30 pages. Okay. So this is around 10 pages only,
Yes, sir.
this first two. So
Mm.
I'll try to cover these first two today.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So trigonometry, what is trigonometry? From the word tri means three, right?
Yes, sir.
I think gono means angle. What is metry? What is meter? Like
Meter
voltmeter.
is the
No, voltmeter or
length.
meter. It's an instrument for measuring, right?
Yes, sir.
So simply this metry is study of measurements.
Okay, sir.
Tri means three angles. Okay. So
Mm.
triangle will have three sides and three angles.
Mm.
This is a
Mm.
special triangle. General triangle will be,
Hypotenuse and opposite and adjacent.
no, that's a special triangle, no?
Uh, right angle triangle.
Yeah. See, the three angles can be anything. But here, one of the
Mm.
angles is 90.
Mm.
Okay. So that is a right angle triangle. Other two can be theta and 90 minus theta. Because sum of
Mm.
triangle should be how much? In a
So,
triangle, in a triangle, sum of the angles
um,
is how much?
sum of the angle. No, sir.
So this is alpha, this is beta, and
Mm.
this is say gamma. So sum of the
Okay,
three
sir.
angles is how much?
90 degree.
Uh,
Oh.
180.
Mm. Okay. Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. So in a four-sided figure, it will be 360.
Mm.
Rectangle, square. Okay. So here, if one of the angle is 90,
Mm.
like in right angle triangle, the sum of other two should
Mm.
be 90, the remaining 90.
Okay, sir.
So in right angle triangle, one of the angle is 90. So this should be theta and 90 minus theta,
Okay, sir.
the remaining of the 90. Okay.
Mm.
So once you have right angle triangle, uh,
Mm.
the maximum angle is what? This is theta. Sum of these two is 90. So obviously this should be more, right? Maximum angle.
Yes, sir.
The total angle is 180.
Mm.
Out of that, half is this angle, 90. And the remaining
Mm.
is shared between these two. Okay. So this is the maximum angle.
Mm.
Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
So side opposite the maximum angle being the maximum length side.
Mm.
Because angle is proportional. I mean, the length of say opposite angle is proportional to the angle. If the angle is more, the
Angle.
opposite side is more.
More.
Okay. I can also check like this. I take a thin triangle like this. So this is the minimum
Mm.
angle. These are bigger angles. So opposite to this minimum
Mm.
angle is the shortest side.
Um.
Okay. So, and for this, one of the angle I call it as theta. So opposite to
Mm.
that, opposite side. Touching this angle
Mm.
is the adjacent side. And hypotenuse,
Adjacent side.
right angle 90 degrees, which is the maximum length.
Mm.
Okay. So I can define a ratio, which is the length of opposite side by hypotenuse.
Then okay. Hypotenuse.
Is one ratio.
Mm.
Second ratio is the adjacent side length
Mm.
by hypotenuse. That is cos theta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Third ratio is opposite by adjacent.
Which is tan theta.
Yeah, opposite by adjacent. That is
Tan theta.
tan theta. Okay. So this is by definition.
Mm.
And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So it will be
Tan theta.
cos. So once I have this
Cos by
opposite by,
sin theta.
so once I have this opposite by adjacent, that can be written as sine by cos.
Okay, sir.
Sine theta by cos theta.
Cos theta.
Because hypotenuse will cancel opposite by adjacent. Okay. And
Mm.
cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta by definition. So it will be cos by sine.
Sin. Okay,
And
sir.
reciprocal of sine is cosecant. You can remember like this: when AC is
Cosecant.
there, its reciprocal have C.
Mm. Mm.
When C is there, reciprocal have S.
Then reciprocal. Okay, sir.
So 1 by cos theta is secant theta.
Mm.
Okay. and some relations between sine of
Mm.
90 minus theta and cos theta. This angle is theta, so
Mm.
this angle is 90 minus theta.
Okay.
90 degrees minus theta. So sine of
Mm.
theta means it's
Sir.
MP by OP.
NOP.
Okay. And
Oh, okay. Mm.
if we take sine 90 minus theta, it will be OM by hypotenuse.
OM by
Okay.
hypotenuse.
But if we take cos of 90 minus
So,
theta, that will be
9
MP
theta
by
MP
hypotenuse.
minus hypotenuse.
By hypotenuse.
Mm.
So this is matching with sine theta.
Mm.
So you get the result or the relation. Sine
Mm.
90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, this is true. Even the other one is true. This one. I
Mm.
have proved this one. Similarly, for
Mm.
this angle, I'll take sine.
Mm.
If you take sine 90 minus theta,
Mm.
into this one adjacent by hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
This one you have to take the cos, will be adjacent by hypotenuse.
Mm.
So this relation between theta and 90 minus theta, I can get from this right angle triangle. Because one angle is
Mm.
theta, other one is 90 minus theta.
Mm.
Okay, so these things can be checked. So sine will become cos.
Mm.
Okay, cos will become sine.
Mm.
Okay, so these are complementary. Tan will become cot,
Okay, sir.
and cosecant will become secant, and
Mm.
secant will become cosecant,
Secant will become cosecant.
and cot will become tan.
Tan.
For relation between 90 minus theta and theta.
90.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Actually, cos is
Mm.
cosine. It's short form of, cos is short form of this one. So this and sine are
Mm.
complementary. These are
Mm.
complementary angles, no? 90
Yes,
minus
sir.
theta and theta. Okay, similarly,
Mm.
tan and cot is actually cotangent, the full name.
Yes, sir.
So whenever this co is there, it's complementary thing. And secant and cosecant, they are also complementary. See, so that's why this complementary relation is there. That way you can remember. Okay, this co suffix will be there. Co and then secant. Okay,
Mm.
this proof is just you can use this triangle. Same thing.
Mm.
Another way of proving this is a triangle. This angle is
Mm.
90 minus theta. I have
Mm.
took this one so that you can take this
Mm.
angle. And in this triangle, this is 90.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so sine 90 minus theta is this one by
Mm.
hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Okay,
Mm.
for this thing, I will take sine and this as
Mm.
well, because it's a
Mm.
rectangle. These two
Mm.
are same, because that's how I constructed this.
Mm.
From this point, draw a vertical line. So vertical line and this vertical line
Ah.
should be parallel. And this is a horizontal line. So
Mm.
this horizontal line and this x-axis should be parallel.
Okay.
Okay, so OP should be equal to RQ, and then OR should be same as PQ.
OP. PQ. Mm.
PQ. Okay, and these two angles.
Mm.
So if you take sine V, this by hypotenuse.
Mm.
So for this
Mm.
thing, I have to take cos, this by hypotenuse.
Mm.
And then
Mm.
that's what you have done here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and it's so big.
Mm.
That's basically the thing. And so this is a complementary angle relation. And
Mm.
sine theta into sine theta is actually this one. This is a proper, this one way of so short notation is this one, sine square theta. We just put this power here.
Mm.
Okay, sine square theta is actually sine theta into sine theta.
Mm.
Like x square is x into x, right?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, sine theta, this correct way of representing, but this is much simpler because you don't need this bracket.
Mm.
Okay, so they have put sine square theta. That means sine theta into sine theta.
Mm.
That is true for all this one.
Okay,
Similarly,
sir.
sine cube means sine into sine into sine.
Mm.
Sine cube theta is sine into sine into sine.
And sign. Okay. Mm.
And there are some standard angles, like one angle is 90.
Mm.
Okay, so
Mm.
Okay, fine. If you take the other angle is 30, so you can consider
30.
a triangle like this. 90, and this is 30. This remaining would be how much?
Remaining would be
This largest angle is 90. So the remaining should give me 90. One angle is 30. So 90 minus 30 is how much?
9. It would be 60 degree.
60 degrees. So this is one standard triangle, and the ratio is so obviously this thing is max opposite 90 degrees, and this opposite 60 should be next bigger, and opposite is the minimum. So 1 root 3 and 2. Root 3 is 1.732.
7 point. Okay,
So
sir.
it's in between 1 and 2. So this one standard triangle you have to remember. 30, 60, 90.
Okay.
Okay, 30, 60, 90, and the ratio is 2 maximum here. Minimum is opposite 30, it's 1. And the one is root. So once you remember this triangle, you will get these values. Sine 30 is
1/2.
This is 30 minimum angle, 1/2. And then cos 30 is root 3/2. Tan 30 is 1/√3, opposite by adjacent.
1/√3.
Then cosecant theta is
Cosecant 2.
It's 1 by cos, right?
2.
Sorry, 1 by sine.
Yes, 1 by sine. Secant only is 1 by cos.
Yeah. Secant is 1 by cos, and then tan theta is root 3. Opposite of reciprocal of tan theta.
Tan theta.
Okay. So next we can complete 60 because 60 is there in this same triangle. So sine 60 is root 3/2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then cos 60 is half. Tan 60 is opposite root 3/1. And cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Secant is reciprocal of cos. And then cot theta is reciprocal of tan.
I love tan.
30 and 60 is done. Okay. What if you have to consider this triangle? This is 90. So this is 45. This is also 45.
Okay.
90 minus 45 is 45. So this is 1. This is 1. This will be root 2. Pythagoras theorem. 1 square plus 1 square. And then take the square root. Okay. So from this, I'll get this. So sine 45 is 1/√2, which is same as cos 45. I call one of them as theta or 45 degrees. So sine is 1/√2 and cos is 1/√2. Oh, and then tan is 1/1. Opposite and adjacent is same, right? And then cosecant is root 2, reciprocal of sine. Secant is also root 2. And then cot is reciprocal of 1, it's 1. Okay, so 30, 60 the triangle, and then 40 is another triangle. 0 and 90,
it's 1 or undefined.
Yeah, you can take a limiting triangle like this. So this angle is 90. Okay, this angle, let me make it very, very small, close to 0. This angle is delta. This angle is 90. And this 90 is delta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so sine 90 means opposite. It's very small. Divided by hypotenuse. So in the limit, it will be 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sine 0 is 0. And then cos is
0
adjacent by hypotenuse. They both are almost same because this thing is very small. The cos 0 is 1. Tan 0 is opposite, very small by this thing. So in the limit, it will be 0. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, which is 1/0. 1/0 is undefined or infinity. Okay. And then secant is reciprocal of cos, it's 1. And cot theta is 1/0, undefined. Okay. Now 90 means instead of going to 90, I'll take this one, which is 90 minus delta. So sine 90 minus delta, opposite and hypotenuse are almost same. It's difficult to understand 90. Okay, so instead of that, I take 90 minus delta. Like difficult to understand.
Okay, sir.
So I took delta and then I put the
Mm.
limit, pushed it to 0. Okay, similarly 90, I take 90 minus
Mm.
delta. So sine 90 minus delta
Mm.
is opposite by hypotenuse.
Opposite
Opposite with this one,
hypotenuse. Okay.
horizontal thing.
Mm.
And this hypotenuse
Horizontal.
almost same. So it is 1.
Same.
And the limit is
Okay, sir.
cos adjacent, which is very small, divided by
Mm.
hypotenuse equals 0.
Mm.
Tan is opposite. Tan is opposite, no?
Opposite will go. Mm.
From this length divided by the small length, which is infinite,
Mm.
is undefined.
Yes, sir.
Cosecant is reciprocal of sine 1,
Sine.
and then secant is 1 by 0, and then
Mm.
cot is
And
adjacent by
reciprocal
reciprocal. Okay,
of
1 by
tan.
undefined. You can also get from here, which is
Mm.
adjacent by hypotenuse.
Mm.
Sorry, adjacent by
Mm.
opposite. Adjacent is small, opposite is some finite
Mm.
thing. So in the limit will become 0.
Mm. Mm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 3 triangles. One is 36 to 90, and the ratio and the lengths are 1, root 3 and 2. Another triangle is 45, 45, 90, 1, 1, root 2. This you can get from Pythagoras theorem. Okay. 1 square plus 1 square, and take the square root of the root 2. And the third one is a limiting triangle, delta 90 minus delta 90. So using this thing, you can get this. So as you keep using it, you'll remember these things.
Sorry, sir.
If you remember these first 3, sine, cos, cot, tan, this is reciprocal. You don't have to remember.
Okay, sir. Mm.
When will the values of sine and cos be equal?
Mm. Will be.
So this is theta.
Okay.
Let me call it A, B, the length A, B, C. So sine theta is A by C.
Mm.
And
A
cos
by C.
theta is B by C.
B by C.
When will these two be equal?
Mm.
When?
Yes, the denominators are same, right?
So that means A should be equal to B.
Mm.
So when A equal to B, the triangle will look like this.
Mm.
So this triangle should be same because our opposite side lengths are same. So that means this angle is 45.
Ah.
So sine 45 is same as cos 45.
Mm.
45, sine and cos are same.
Mm.
And also we can get from this one. Sine and cos, if it has to be same, means 90 minus theta should be same as theta.
Mm.
That means theta should be 45. If you put theta equal to 45,
Oh.
I get 45 here and also 45 here.
Mm.
So for what values of theta, sine theta equal to 2?
Mm.
Sine theta is A by C. That means A should
Okay.
be twice C.
I see. Okay.
Is that possible?
Mm.
Maximum
Oh.
angle is 90. So C is maximum. So this should be always
See.
less than 1.
Mm.
Okay. So this is not
It's
possible.
not possible. Mm.
Okay. Now,
Possible.
6 trigonometric quantities has a value of theta increasing to which undefined values. So whatever is basically it's 1 by 0 will be undefined.
Mm.
Okay. So all this in these angles, there won't be anything undefined because both opposite and adjacent will be, it's a proper triangle. Okay.
Proper triangle.
Only for 0 degree and 90 degrees, I have to take this triangle. So it's whenever this thing goes in the denominator, this side will be undefined.
Mm. Yes, sir.
So tan 90, so tan 90 minus delta is opposite by adjacent with 0. So it's undefined.
Okay, sir.
Is it possible to have 8 trigonometric ratios? Sine cos tan and the reciprocal is 6. And then
No.
we have 6 ratios, no?
It won't be possible, right, sir?
Okay. Question is not clear. I'll leave it.
Mm.
What if a sine theta is greater than cos theta? Secant theta.
Mm.
These are actually a little bit.
Mm.
One more thing is this
Mm.
in this triangle, this angle
Mm.
is fixed. Suppose I take small theta, this thing will be like this. If I increase theta, it will become like this,
Mm.
right? If I increase theta
Ah.
further, it will become like this.
Mm.
Okay. So this side, if it hold the adjacent side as A and the opposite side as B, and this one is
Mm.
C. Okay. As
Mm.
theta increases
Mm.
for a given A, B is going to increase.
Mm.
Okay. So
Okay, sir.
the sine theta
Mm.
will increase because it's B by C.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. And actually, this one.
Mm.
Okay, this is one way of drawing this one. Another way of drawing this one is
Mm.
we take a circle
Mm.
of radius r. So whatever angle is the one, this is theta. So this one is y,
Mm.
and this adjacent side is x because this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, and
Mm.
this thing is r, the radius of the circle.
Mm.
For this point, if you take the x-coordinate, is this length, right?
Mm.
Okay, so the vertical distance from here to here is the y-coordinate, which is y. Okay, so here when theta increases, r is constant. Here C is changing, so it will become more complicated to understand. So here, if you try to understand, as theta
Mm.
increases, y increases in the first quadrant.
Mm.
Okay, so
Mm.
sine theta will increase,
Mm.
and
Okay, sir.
as theta increases, x will decrease.
Mm.
First x was this much, after that x is this much, after that x will be here.
Mm.
Okay, so cos theta will decrease. I'm just talking about the first quadrant.
Mm.
So for 0 to 90 degrees, that's
Mm.
what I has done.
Okay, sir.
This one, 0 to 90 only, first quadrant. Sine theta is greater than cos theta.
Mm.
Okay, okay. One more thing I understand. Okay, sine theta is going to increase from 0.
Mm.
When theta is 0, y is 0. Okay, so sine will increase like this, sine theta, from 0 value
Mm.
to a maximum value of 1. See,
Mm.
sine 0 is 0, and sine 90 is 1. From this table itself, from the first row, you can see.
Mm.
Okay, and cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0.
Mm.
So this is
Okay, sir.
sine variation,
Mm.
and cos will be like this opposite, 1
Mm.
to 0.
Mm. Mm.
So where it's equal, at what angle? 45 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, at 45 degrees, both are equal.
Mm.
So sine is increasing from 0 to 1, cos is opposite,
Mm.
decreasing from 1 to 0. At 45 degrees, it is same. So if we take this first half, which one is more?
Mm. 45.
Cos is more than sine for
Mm.
0 to 45 degrees in that range.
Yes.
Okay, second half,
Mm.
sine is greater because sine is picking up.
Sin. Mm.
Okay, so sine is greater than cos if theta
Mm.
is greater than 45 degrees and less than
Mm.
90.
Mm.
First quadrant. Cos will be more when theta is less than 45. 0 to 45.
Mm.
Okay. Cos is more in the beginning. So
Mm.
cos is more than sine if the angle is between 0 and 45 degrees. Okay. Secant theta is 2 tan theta. Secant is 1 by cos.
Mm.
And this is 2 sine by cos.
Mm.
So cos and cos I can cancel
Mm.
if
Mm.
cos uh, if
Mm.
cos theta. See, you should be
Okay.
careful of canceling zeros.
Oh.
That you know, right?
Okay, sir.
So just put it here.
Yes, sir.
Put here the condition theta is not equal to 0. That means angle theta is not equal to 90 degrees. So if
Mm.
you do this particular case, then sine is half. That means this theta is 30 degrees
Mm.
because sine 30 is half.
Mm.
Okay. So for this question, the value of theta is 30 degrees.
Mm. Okay, sir.
So cosecant is 1 by sine. I think it's almost
Mm.
2 into cos by sine.
Mm.
So sine I can cancel if theta not equal to 0.
Mm.
This thing should be satisfied. And then cos is half. Cos half means theta equal to 60 degrees.
Mm. Mm.
So when angle is small, sine will be small. So when angle is small,
Mm.
sine will be 1 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. Root 3 is 1.732. This is
Mm.
1. So 1.732 is more than 1. When the angle is increasing, sine will start picking up. So at 60, sine will be
Mm.
half.
Mm.
Sorry, sine will be
Mm.
root 3 by
Root 3 by 2.
these two, right? Sine will be root 3
Yes,
by
sir.
2. And then cos has decreased to half.
Mm.
For 30, you have to check these two. You have to compare these two.
Mm.
Okay, so this 30 degrees, this 60 degrees.
Ah.
Linking corner. Is there any answer given here?
No, sir.
Okay. Trigonometric identities. Yeah. Once you have this thing, relation, you can prove this one. Sine square plus cos square is 1.
Mm.
Because sine square is, if you take this triangle and call
Mm.
this as theta, this is 90. And I call
Mm.
this A, B, C. Sine theta is opposite by
Mm.
this thing.
Adjacent.
So square is
No,
this.
hypotenuse.
And then cos is adjacent.
By hypotenuse.
So the sum of these two is a square plus b square by c square. And this is 1.
Mm.
By which theorem?
By Pythagoras theorem.
Very well said. So from here
Mm.
you can get this one.
Mm.
What should I do? Using this, I'll get this.
Mm. Okay, so tan secant by cos.
No, divide
Sorry,
this whole thing by
sine. Mm.
tan is sine by cos. No, so divide by cos square.
Ah. Mm.
The first term is tan square, and the second term is 1.
Second term is
Here they have
tan
put as
square.
first term. It's just
Mm.
interchanged, but tan square
Mm.
will get from this sine square by cos square, and this 1 will come from cos square by cos square. And this secant square
Mm.
is 1 by cos square.
Okay. So
And how
then
do
1 plus
yeah.
tan square.
So in some sense, you can say this is nothing but Pythagoras theorem. That is the basis, no?
Yes.
This is also Pythagoras theorem.
Ah.
This
Mm.
from here. How do you get this one? From this first one, divide by
Divide by sine.
sine square.
Sine square. Ah.
So sine square by sine square will give me 1. And then cos square by sine
Mm.
square will give me cot square. And
Cot
then 1 by
square.
sine square is cosecant square.
Cosecant square. Mm.
Okay. So sine square plus cos
Mm.
square is 1. And then 1 plus tan square
Mm.
is secant square. 1 plus cot square
Mm.
is cosecant square.
Cosecant square. Okay, sir.
So instead of ABC, they have put this MP, OM,
Mm.
OP.
For
Yeah.
the triangle names.
Length of the triangle.
Mm.
Because they have put OM. I call this as A, this as B,
Mm.
and this as C.
Mm.
Okay. So instead of OM, I wrote A.
Mm.
And you have to use Pythagoras theorem. That's the basis.
Okay. Mm.
So once you have this sine square plus cos square equal to 1,
Mm.
divide by, okay, here's put OM square. Okay, from the
OM.
Pythagoras theorem itself, we can um, divide
Cancel it.
with hypotenuse square. Instead of dividing this
Mm.
by sine square or cos square, you can divide this thing
Mm.
by OM square. Okay, you basically have to get 1 right. So first divide by OM square, and
Mm.
second case you divide by MP square.
MP square.
Okay. So OM square. Okay. So this
Mm.
thing, you'll get 1 here, and then MP by OM is tan
Mm.
theta, and OP
Mm.
by OM is secant theta.
Mm.
Okay. Second one, you have to take the other one. Here you get OM square. Another you're getting one is divided by MP square.
Mm.
Divided by MP square.
Mm.
Okay. So then I will return this thing for. So once
Mm.
this is true, I can write this thing sine square equal to 1 minus cos square.
Mm.
Okay. Prove tan square minus sine square equal to tan square secant square. Try
Mm.
this one.
Okay, sir.
Done.
The 1 second, sir. Yes, sir.
There are multiple ways of doing it.
Mm.
I just write everything into sine and cos. So tan I wrote
Mm.
as sine by cos. So it becomes sine square by cos square
Yes,
square. And
yes,
then
sir.
sine square take it outside.
And
1 minus cos square. This one.
then minus 1 by cos
Yeah.
square.
So here he has
Mm.
done sine square is taken outside. Same. Whichever is convenient you can do. Okay.
Mm.
And write the steps.
Okay, sir.
Because even if you make some mistake at this step, you'll get partial marks.
Mm.
So this one sine divided by 1 plus cos equal to that you have to prove.
Mm. So sine equal to 1 plus cos equal to sine by 1 plus cos into sine minus cos minus cos square. So completed.
Okay.
Mm.
What do you think? How did you do?
First, so sine A by plus cos A. So
Mm.
I did it like um conjugate method. So if it was like into 1 minus cos A, so sine A into 1 minus cos A is equal to minus cos A by 1 minus cos square.
Yeah.
Mm.
So multiply and divide by 1 minus cos.
Mm.
So you can guess from this right side itself.
Ah.
Okay. This one, third one.
Mm. Same method, no, sir?
Cos square I can write as cosecant square
Mm.
minus 1.
Cosecant minus. Mm.
So then you can get this.
Mm.
Prove secant theta minus cos A. This one.
Mm.
one way to do is bring everything to sine and cos. So that'll be easy to understand. So secant I can write as 1 by cos. So 1 by cos minus cos will become 1 minus cos square by cos. And 1 minus cos square I can write as sine square. They'll
Sine
get
square by cos.
this one. What is same technique? You can multiply by 1 plus cos theta. Numerator and denominator 1 minus cos theta. Or
So
1
when
plus
we
cos.
square it, we'll get 1 plus cos by sine square. So then it would be cosecant plus cot theta.
For fun, you can do the other way around also. Multiply and divide by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, it will become 1 minus cos square divided by square root, and denominator will become 1 minus cos. Right? So this will become sine by 1 minus cos. Again, I have to get it. So again, I have to rationalize this one. So now I multiply by 1 plus cos by 1 plus cos. This is extra step. So it will become sine into 1 plus cos.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, by sine. It's 1 minus cos square, so sine square. So 1 by sine is cosecant, and cos by sine is cot.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this one, secant minus secant is 1 by cos, already sine is there,
Cos
minus sine by cos equal
by
to
cos
cos by
cot.
sine. This you have to prove.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll take cos outside, or I can multiply this by sine. So 1 minus sine square is cos square by cos sine. So 1 cos will cancel, you get this one. 2 sine square cos square. So first, once you also have to recognize the pattern: sine, cos, cos sine, cos sine sine. Angle is AB. Okay, it's square. So what you can do is you can combine these two: sine square, cos square, or you can combine this sine square and sine square. Okay, so you combine this will become sine square b plus
Sine
cos square b. So sum
and
of these
B.
two sine square a. Similarly, if you combine these two, common is cos square b, and then it will become sine square b plus cos square b. Okay, it is equal to 1. Exactly the same thing they are done. Cos theta plus sin theta equal to root t. Cos theta, prove that cos theta minus sin theta is this one. Okay, so I think you can cos minus sin. So if you multiply by cos minus sin both the sides, this thing will cos square minus sin square. That is not useful. Okay, this cos theta is here. So from this, okay, from this I can get tan theta. Direct root by cos theta will be 1 plus tan theta equal to root 2. I need sine minus cos. Another thing is I can square this one. If I square this one, I